Hello, my name is Arunab Sharma, enrollment number EN18EL301032 from ECA, and my project is library management system. So, firstly, I will talk about that the library management system runs on DOS system based on C++ language as the main programming language. And according to the characteristics of the system, we conduct the development model and then build structural analysis, structural analysis, system function modules, and system flowchart through the demand analysis of the system. Yeah, so basically through this analysis of each function modules, the definition and the attributes of the data and the realization of each function are determined in the paper. The design of the library management system includes the user module, the administrator module, and also achieves the usual function including borrowing books, returning books, and book management. The main objective of my project is to actually improve library use service and reduce paperwork to make functioning of library faster, improve a system where the library staff can catch defaulters and not let them escape to minimize the loss done to books, and also the system contains database where all the information will be stored safely. So, and the introduction goes like library management system also allows the library to manage library resources in a more operative manner that will help to save their time in it is also convenient for the librarian to manage the process of books allotted and making payments. So now we'll get to the how this work method. Now we'll get to the methodology. So basically, in my project, there are the system is divided into two parts. The first one is the librarian, that is the administrator, and the second one is the student, that is the user. In administrative, as we can see in this flow chart, it will have functions like view book list, search for a book, modify and add books, issue books, and go to main menu and change password. So the administrator will have these functions, and when we come to the user functions, they are like view book list, search for a book, go to main menu, and close application. So basically, both these um, will have both these parts will have these functions and to play with. Yeah. After this, this is so when we come to if the librarian has logged in, then will these are my outputs that I have created after my coding. These are the outputs that came. Uh, the first one is if the librarian or the administrator logs in, then it will have these choices or options to enter. He will enter his choices, and it will go according to that. Then these branches will come. He will choose the branches, sorry, a branch, and after that he will have also he'll have these options also. If you go to uh, the student part, the student will have these options firstly. Then he has to enter his choice. Then he'll go to these options. After choosing that thing, he will come to this, and then he'll choose what he wants to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So at the beginning of the test, it is not necessary to carry out the data. in the real case, and some well-designed data can be used at a test case. This will not only reduce the processing workload, but also early to find the error and determine the scope of the error. Functional testing of the test object should focus on all the testing requirement which can be directly traced to use case or business function. This project will decrease the workload of library and will very convenient and will be very convenient for all the students. So in last, I'd like to conclude with the development of network technology. The existing library management system is more and more perfect, and the system function becomes more and more comprehensive. Inconvenience and usability cannot be its convenience and usability cannot be compared. So this article converts library management system based on C++ programming language compared to the system with with now popular library management software. It has done some advantages. From the angle of system development, the system has completed some functions such as add, delete, correct, inquire of the library management system. This program has some missing points like student cannot directly request librarian to issue the book through online system. They have to contact librarian in personal. There are more features added as we uh, take this program online and try to link it with the internet. This will simplify library management system to a great extent. Yeah. So thank you. That was it.